Here are the easy steps to convert film negatives into digital format. 1. Preparing tools and materials. Use a film negative scanning setup that can be done with an iPhone or Android phone equipped with a high-quality camera. Prepare an inexpensive light pad or a large screen, such as an iPad or Android tablet, as the backlight. Set the brightness to maximum. Use a Lightbox app or simply open a white screen online. Place the light source on a flat surface in a dark room. Use 2 stacks of books and a sheet of transparent glass as a spacer to keep the film elevated and prevent the light from washing out the photo. 2. Positioning and scanning the negatives. Place the film negative on the spacer, positioning the desired frame in the center of the glass. Align your phone with the film using a phone stand or gooseneck holder to take the photo. Once everything is set, proceed to digitize the film negative. 3. Open the negative photo to photo website. The link is provided in the description. 4. Crop any unnecessary parts. 5. Process the image. 6. Download it.